Hey guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I just thought I would pop on here to tell you guys the winner of my subscriber giveaway. And I just did one of those online random name pickers. And I also just wanted to say thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel, for all the sweet comments that you guys leave me, and also for giving me really good ideas for upcoming videos and which ones you like best. So here we go. And the winner is Nadara Wortham, and I hope I am not messing up your name too bad. I wanted to say thank you so much to Nadara for watching and supporting my channel. So Nadara, you have 24 hours from the time that this video goes up to contact me. You can email me email me your address. My email address is in the description box of pretty much all my videos or in the About Me page on my channel. But yeah, you have 24 hours to get a hold of me. I do have a backup winner if I don't hear from you, and I will announce that either in a video all its own or in a video maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday if I don't hear back from Nadara. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. I hope you continue to enjoy the content that I put up, and if you guys have any new suggestions for videos, do not hesitate to let me know. I love to get your feedback and input and stuff. It really helps me out to make a better channel for you guys. So thank you so much for entering in this giveaway and for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!